Through this wellness session, we are encouraging people to embrace wellness as an essential part of our everyday life. All the best.
Today I attended the wellness session by Group 108, and I must say that this yoga session which has been organized is one of the fabulous sessions that has been occurred till now.
I would suggest everyone, irrespective of the age, everyone should be into fitness, whether it is cycling, whether it is running, walking, yoga, whatever it is. Going to gym is not necessary.